Hey everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. A few weeks ago, I had the chance to begin working with my 10th client here at D.I.G.S Marketing. We've been focused on working with B2B software companies in the Series A or Series B stage, ranging between 30 and 200 employees. It's been an awesome, exciting, and eye-opening journey so far. Today, I wanted to share two insights that have really stood out to me after working with this many companies in such a short time frame. Whether you're just starting to scale or already in growth mode, these insights can resonate and be a game changer for your business. Number one, if you're in the Series A or Series B stage, especially in B2B software, you know exactly what I'm about to say. Your data is messy. It's never perfect. It's often incomplete, inconsistent, or sometimes it's just flat out wrong. I've never had a founder or marketing leader that I talk to that says our data is great and perfect. It just doesn't happen. So here's the thing. You don't need perfect data to get started. You just need a subset of your data that you trust. So I always suggest taking a look at past MQLs or closed loss deals. The reason for that is because those are prospects who have showed some type of interest or intent in your service or your product. Their contact details, their data, cleanliness, the company that they work for, etc., is probably correct in your CRM versus other companies or other people that are in your database. So instead of waiting for perfect data, use what you have and start with a segment of data that you are the most confident in. You have the most confidence in. That's where you'll see the best results. Number two, where the magic really happens is when there's pipeline alignment between marketing and sales team. So I can't stress this one enough. The most successful B2B software companies don't allow silos between marketing and sales. Instead, they have one pipeline goal that the entire team is working towards as a shared goal. Everyone in marketing and sales team is working towards that same pipeline number. Here's the key. You still need attribution to understand which channels and which campaigns are driving pipeline. But that's an analysis aspect of it. That should not be the focus of your pipeline, meaning you should still have one pipeline number, whether it's quarterly or annually, that is front and center for the team. When the entire team is driving towards a singular goal, collaboration and efficiency increase exponentially. And it totally reduces the internal friction and the who gets credit, which you often see in B2B software companies. Those are two insights that I think are relevant with every single client that I've worked with, and most likely relevant for every B2B software company that's Series A and Series B. If you're interested in learning more about D.I.G.S Marketing, you can click the link below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.